Good morning, everyone. I'm Chirag. Myself, Kunal, and Shwetali are a team guided by Professor Joydeep Datta. Our site is located in Rasaini. The area of site is around 12,000 square meters with an FSI of 1.0. Towards the northwestern side of the site, we have the lowest point of our site. The northwestern corner of the plot lies 1.5 meter below the existing road level. So this area can be treated as low-lying space, service space such as basement, parking, etc. Secondly, we have southwestern winds flowing from the side to the northeastern side. Uh, this wind flow can be used to optimize the passive wind circulation in the site. About the conceptualization, we have divided our site into two parts, north and south. So all the active spaces such as entrance, wards, ICUs and admins are kept on the northern side, whereas all the service spaces such as toilet, kitchen and laundry are kept on the southern side. Let me quickly explain you what panopticon is. Panopticon is a uh, form or a concept followed in prison cells where the guard or the chief officer is at the center who can have a look at all the prison cells at one go. Similar concept can be used in hospitals. For example, in OPD, where nurse station or the waiting area is at the center, who can have a look at all the consultation rooms at one go. Initially, we started with the bubble zoning. We didn't take area into consideration over here, but we got to know about the space adjacencies and proximities. In the ground floor, we have kept spaces which require maximum public activities such as OPDs, kitchen, restaurants, admin spaces, etc. And in the first floor, we have kept all the important spaces such as OT, ICU, CSSD, etc. And in the second and third floor, we have tried to accumulate all the inpatient departments and residential doctors. Then we started with building upon the form. Firstly, we decided upon the entries. We have three entrances. First is the emergency entrance from the north. First is the emergency entrance from the northeastern side. We have completely isolated the emergency entrance in order to conceal the chaos. Second is the main entrance which takes us to the structure, and third is the service entrance which takes us to the service area in the southern side. Then we started to identify spaces where we can optimize the form panopticon. Over here we have taken area into consideration. We have spaces such as OPD, main entrance service and emergency spaces toward the northern side, and service spaces such as kitchen, laundry towards the southern side. On the first floor we have OT, ICU and obstetric department, followed by all the inpatient departments and residential accommodation. We have southwestern winds flowing into the site, so we have tried to provide openings in the southwestern part of the structure which will allow the wind to enter the structure. Also in the center we have a massive courtyard which will allow the hot air to exhale. All this will provide a nice wind circulation inside the structure. We have heavily built the southern facade with all the service spaces which will obstruct the harsh sunlight coming from the southern side and will provide a nice shade above the cafeteria. Also, we have provided openings on the northern side uh, which will allow the north light to enter into the courtyard. The northeastern corner of our plot is 1.5 meter below the road level. So we have, instead of providing a basement floor, we have provided a lower ground floor. We have a total of 95 car parks in, including the parkings in ground floor and lower ground floor. There are service spaces such as AC plant and pump rooms in the lower ground floor along with the mortuary. Uh, there are two entries to the site. One is from the northeastern corner, which takes us to the emergency department. Second is from the northern part, which takes us to the drop-off point, which leads to the main entrance services. Over here in the outpatient department, we have tried to optimize the form panopticon where nurse station is at the center and who can have a look at all the consultation rooms at one go. Besides the emergency department, we have spaces such as laboratory and radiology towards the eastern side. We have physiotherapy on the western facade, and the south side is we have placed all the service spaces such as kitchen, dining, and restaurant. Over here, we can understand the different slopes of the site, where firstly a ramp goes down to 1.5 meters to the lower ground floor, and also there's a ramp going to the 2.5-meter level to the upper ground floor. Right about the kitchen, we have our laundry space. Reason being, both share similar voltages. Towards the western facade, we have operation theater. There are two entrances for the operation theater. A super sterile lobby takes us to all the OTs. The OT is connected to ICU and obstetric department using a sterile lobby. In order to use the north light in the ICU ward, we have provided big openings in the northern facade. The obstetric ward is divided into two parts. One is the public space where we have spaces such as waiting, lobby, etc. Second is the private space, which will be accessed by the doctors and the patients. Over here, there are spaces such as labor room, birthing units, feeding room, etc. This obstetric ward is connected to the NICU and other diagnostic departments to the eastern side. Our toilet ducts run from right from the top to bottom. So instead of providing the service floor on an entire floor, we have provided service area just about operation theater and operation theater and ICU. Uh, Along with the service area on the same floor, we have the inpatient department. On the north corner, we have the general ward, again in order to use the north light, and pediatric ward on the eastern facade. On the fourth floor, uh, we have a 15 bedded isolation ward, which has a direct access to the southern core. On the northern side, right about the service area, there is private ward. There are dual bed and quad sharing bed rooms in the private ward. All the rooms have been provided with individual toilets. We didn't want the residential accommodation to be on the same floor. They smelled all the anesthetic smell throughout the night, so throughout the day. So instead of keeping them on the same floor, we have isolated them on the fourth floor, where we have provided a 1 BHK room for the chief medical officer and the dorm type rooms for the residential for accommodation of residential doctors. Section A dash is a longitudinal section cut through the service floor, where mortuary is at the lower ground floor, and all the spaces in the section are accessed by the two vertical cores on the western side. Section B dash is a longitudinal section cut through the courtyard, where spaces such as doctor's lounge and private ward can have a nice see-through towards the courtyard. Section C dash is a vertical section cut through the courtyard, where we can see we have built we have heavily built the western facade in order to provide a shade into the courtyard. Similarly, we have in the south elevation we have heavily built the southern facade in order to obstruct the harsh sunlight coming from the south. On the western facade, we have important spaces such as operation theaters and physiotherapies and residential accommodation. So, in order to minimize the temperature, we have used two techniques. One is by providing massive terraces on the western facade. Second, we have provided terracotta pots on the on the spaces on the western facade outside operation theater and physiotherapy, which will reduce the temperature by 5 to 6 degrees in the western side. On the northern and eastern side, we have all the important spaces and inpatient departments. In order to optimize the use of northern light and eastern light in the morning, uh, there are massive openings on the eastern and northern elevation. In the views, you can see the use of levels in the northeastern part, and the use of terracotta pots in the western facade, and the use of and the openings in the southwestern side, which will allow the wind to enter into the structure. Thank you.